All right, that is a beautiful sign right there. And we are at the win, the lovely win, $100 in. We have $75 of free play, like they usually give us every week. Trying to win with free play if we can. Oh yeah. First spin magic? No, not yet. Oh, we're up 150. That's pretty good. Trying to make some magic happen. It is August. Oh, it is August 6th or 7th? What day is? I don't even remember what day it is, people. We need some help here. We need some help here, Mr. Mummyyy. What happened to our first spin bonuses? We used to be pretty good at that. First spin, second spin bonus, and? No. Oh, yeah, dude, that was, oh my goodness, that would have been 125, huh? Good looking one. I mean, I got a natural pop like that just a couple days ago. Put your cool hat on. All right, nice hat. Now come here. Oh, he was right there, but he did not stop. That was the problem. Okay, well, what can we do with this free play? So far, $25 has become, do it. $25 has become $5. So we're thinking of jumping around a little bit today. Oh no. Throw it. Maxi is, looks like it was just hit. Major, looks like it's ready to hit. Even though it's just over 100, 500. We hit it at 500 just like a little while ago. That was awesome. No real line hits coming in here. Until Mr. Mummyyy, we need your help here, okay? We're in the dog days of summer. Oh, he was right there. It would have been help. Me and Mummyyy. 2 more. No. Okay, so what's up with our 250 bet here, huh? Gonna help us out? That would have been a good sign of profit. Oh yeah. Oh, he's coming out his hat again, people. Oh, maybe we should go to our, oh sorry, one more here. One more? It tricked us. It definitely tricked us. Do it. Okay, let's try some more at 1 or 2 cents, our lucky 2 cents. We've been pretty lucky at this bet in the past, right, Mr. Mummyyy? We've been pretty lucky. Oh yeah. One of each would have been good. $3 bet. No, you know. Not even a sniff. Again, what the? Where was that guy down there? What's up with this 2 cents? What's up with our 2 cents right now? Okay. Oops, I'm getting a text message or call. But no Mummyyy is more important right now, do you understand, friend? Oh yeah. Oh no. Okay. And I was all ready to start. Okay. Right away. That would have been the time to do it. Okay. Oh, good, good, good. Alright. Wow, big profit. First time we're in a profit, right? With 100. With one of our hundreds. That cash fleck looks mighty crazy up there, people. I mean, should I try a different bet? Maybe, I don't know. But they're all so big on this bet, so. Oh, one of you. Huh? No. Yes? No. Just one humongous number on the second one. Bam. Oh, bam. Huge.
Oh, that's not
No. Yeah, it never. Yeah, if he was down there, it would have been a decently big line hit. I mean, it looks like it wants to do something. Run across the street. Okay. Yes. Mess. Yes to mess. Okay. Mini, $50 mini to start. That would be a fun way to pop it on Wifey's favorite. It does this. On reel 4, please. Yes. Oh, right there. 5. He was right up there again. Yeah, where were you last spin? Do it now. We did trigger it with $1,000 one, right? Oh, there's a $1,000 one. Do it. Oh no! I mean, it's a $100 one, but I was just joking. But it was, you know, it was a 2,000 credit one. That would have been a really good place to start. Now they're starting to pop up. Does that mean it's gonna pop up there? Yeah, Wifey said, no wonder they give us money at the win to come play. That's why sometimes I want to come without like you know, and then just go myself to someone, do a quick like play with the free play.
But then there's no one to start.
Yeah, there is. I'm very good at just living. Yeah, I can leave myself. Like I like to play at our local casinos a little more because they're less tight. Like the win is very tight. Everyone knows that. The win, like they're the reason they're this rich, you know. When I like come on like a solo, let me just use my free play before it expires because they give us 3 or 4 days to use it every time. See if we can win. I'm just like in and then I'm out. I'm gonna go to the mall or something. Or oh, come on, please cash collect. It can't be anything else than cash collect. Yes, no other one. Yes, okay, finally, that's the only way we know it's gonna be a cash collect. $12.50 to start. Oh my goodness. Finally, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? A lot of things. Let's get to the end. Let's get to the end. Let's have a journey along the way. Just like my favorite band, Journey. Let's go. Okay, okay, yes, 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 okay, yes. Thumbs up to that start, okay. Now these are all smaller values, Mr. Mummyyy. You don't have to stop. You don't have to stop, Mr. Mummyyy. You can give us another school of really good ones like that. Yes, yes, one more. Okay. First start on the next one. Okay. Please drop the minor or maxi or something in there. We take that. Okay, 6 spins. We can do this. Up, split. Okay. Let's go. Hello? Excuse me? That's not very nice. 1 spin for 4. Yeah, you're right. For 3, I should say. Oh, one more. Boom. You bounced, but then the king came back. Okay, okay, okay. Mr. Mummyyy, cooperate with us. Oh, Minnie, where were you? Oh, that's a good one. Oh, okay, okay, okay. 1 more and 2 spins. We can definitely do this. Just drop 3, just like what you said. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh my God, so stressful. Now you can drop some extra progressives and what else do you want? Which one do you want to see, Wifey? Major. Even though I don't think it's possible, we'll still see it. Green. Okay. Now we just want to hit anything because, you know, the screen is big enough. It can catch a lot of big numbers. Big. Okay, this is 1 really, really big one. Let's go. Big one. Oh, that's a good one. Okay. All right. We're not mad at that. 300, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, your inability to, your inability to do math. That's why I surprise you sometimes. That's good, right? Okay. We'll do a few backups and then we'll run with some money. He can do it back to back. He was right up there. I mean, when he did that little run across the screen, we're like, just please anything.
Yeah, I didn't think you could win big when you
Yeah, he does. Yeah, they can trigger anything on any size. That's for sure. Oh my God! Again, come on, please, green. Not free games. Green. Yes, stop. No more. No. Yes, it's not it. Okay, it didn't. Yes, it didn't trick us. Oh, it did trick us almost. Oh my gosh. It's done. Yeah, it's done that before. It's done green, and then this, and then it was the free games before. So it can be any of them that it falls down to. Okay, people. Beautiful. Let's do something huge again right now. Let's make this the best Mummyyy video since our best Mummyyy video a few months back, right? Green. Okay. We'll have a modest start, but an epic finish. Okay, one more green. Okay. We'll take it. Get more. Wow, that was very loud. Oh, there was some kind of progressive in there. I don't know which one it was. I think it was the mini, or maybe it was the minor. Green. Very important. Yes, very important. You did get a mini, but it didn't fall where it needed to go. Very important, at least to get to the second. Because the one where you get the most extra spins is this from the first to the second spin. You get 3, then you get 2, then you get blah blah blah. But at least you have a chance, people. Let's go. Green. Big one, huge in there. That was nothing in there. Huge one. Okay. This is getting scary, people. At least drop the maxi so you can, at least drop the maxi. Do it for Pam and Jim. Green. Many greens. Okay, we need 2 on one spin. I've done it before. I've gotten like 4 or 5 on one spin once. I needed like the most crazy ones. I needed 1, and then to go to the next one, and I was last spin, but I got 1 plus 5. I went straight to the next one. That was the most epic. Let's do it right now. Green. Oh, I needed 2 green. Why did I ask for 1?
It was back to back.
Yeah, it was back to back. We pretend this is a very baby one, but 45. It's still 45 bucks. Not bad. Yeah, we'll do a few more. See what's gonna happen. At least let's get some line hits in between now. It's just so fun when he comes like that and he runs across the screen and it's not free games. Unless free games is gonna be like huge. Not free. I'll take free games now at this point. This is gravy. Hello? Okay. Do you think that's good, or do you want to keep going? I don't know. I wanted to eat. I'm starving. I'll do one more 150. We haven't ate. We've been gambling non-stop, like absolute degens. I'll do that now. So we've been playing Regal Riches non-stop or whatever it was. We played it for like literally 3 hours, and we finally got the mega one with like 300. But yeah, here we are. We had fun. We got some bonuses. We met Jim and Pam. Thank you for watching. We love to meet you all online and in the videos. Sorry, obviously in person and in the videos. We love talking to you all. So we'll keep this going a little bit later. We're gonna grab something to eat. That major is huge. Maybe we'll be back for that later. But until then, yeah, I'll watch it for you. I'll watch it for you. No problem, boss. Yeah. So we're gonna watch this. We're gonna watch his machine. He was sitting there and use the restroom. I wish I had someone like that when we had to use the restroom earlier. Remember? But yeah, we're gonna watch that machine for him, and we'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching, friends.